Hey YouTube family, welcome back. So today I have an exciting video because we're going to be doing a challenge, a makeup challenge. Who doesn't love challenges? So today's challenge is going to be on a dollar makeup challenge, and all my makeup is from Dollar Tree because that's the only store that I shop at now because I live in Carajo land and it's the only store near me, so I have fun at Dollar Tree and have found some interesting stuff there. I did a little haul and I bought a couple of things to have fun with. So
let's begin!
I found this, it's coconut oil for the hair and the body, and it doesn't say face, but I'm guessing it says moisturize the skin. I don't know if it's for the face, so I wouldn't recommend using this. I'm gonna use it because I need to moisturize my face before I apply makeup, and this is, you know, a dollar makeup challenge and I couldn't find anything there that was $1 to moisturize my face. So I'm just gonna take a little bit and just apply it all over the face. I got a lot of stuff here, like a lot of stuff. I don't want to go one by one, but we'll talk about it as we go. So I did buy this little roll of tape from Dollar Tree. So I'm going to use this for the eyes when I apply the eyeshadows. I don't even know what I'm doing today. I just wanted to go with the flow and what I have here. So the eyeshadow palettes that I have are these two. One is by LA Colors, and it's such a pretty palette. It's called LA Colors Eyeshadow Smoky, but it's so pretty. And they had a couple of these. They had like a neutral one, and they had some, I don't even remember, but they had a couple of these. I took the smoky one because it had these, you know, cute little burgundy blues and etc. And then I found this, and this is Beauty Benefits. It looks like a little dupe for another little eyeshadow palette, and it's so cute. I don't know how good this is going to be. LA Colors I know is a little bit on the good side, but I don't know how this is going to be. But yeah, I got this one as well. I did notice that I didn't get anything to do my eyebrows with. I'm probably going to use this, which is LA Colors Contour Powder. This I found like amazing. They had a highlighter one too, which my mommy bought. This is the LA Colors Contour, and this is in color medium, which is what I need. One's a contour, and I guess this one is to highlight and also a powder, I'm guessing. And it's perfect because,
oh my god, I forgot to purchase a powder.
And this comes with the powder, so that's good. I'm going to be using different brushes. Disregard the brushes in this video. I'm cheating, I know. But I'm going to try and use this sculpting palette for my brows, and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows as I would normally fill them. A little light, of course, but we can work with it. Okay, nah, that's not doing anything. So I am gonna go then with, oh my god, there's like this dark color here. Okay, let's just try this. Maybe if I mix both of them, I can make a color. Okay, so the eyebrows are done. Challenge done. Eyebrows. Next, I'm gonna go in with the concealer. So I found this concealer by LA Colors, and this is in the color Nude. It's probably a little dark for me, but it's okay. There is no, oh, it's pretty nice, and it actually feels like good. You know, some concealers are too heavy, like super like heavy and sticky. This one actually feels nice and liquidy, which is good for me. I don't know why I'm doing this because I haven't even applied my foundation. Oh, great. So I stopped the camera.
And I noticed my eyebrows look like freaking dark as caterpillars with this. This is gonna be funny. This is actually a funny ass challenge. Like, yo, my eyebrows look hideous.
And today I'm gonna be using this LA Colors liquid makeup foundation, and this is in creamy beige, so I don't know if this is gonna be actually dark for me, but it looks liquidy. Like, I like it. I almost forgot this. This is actually a corrector by LA Colors. I would have never thought that they would have correctors. They had yellow, green, every color correctors. So if you're on a budget and you need correctors, go to Dollar Tree. Ooh, that's a perfect color too. Oh my god. Because I feel like some orange correctors are too dark, and this one is actually a perfect color. Let me find out, LA Colors. I love the way it feels actually on my skin. I'm gonna apply the foundation now all over the face. Okay, so now it actually, oh hell no. What was that? Oh my god. Maybe it's because of the coconut oil. It's not blending in properly. Let's see how this goes. Oh, I'm actually using a beauty sponge from Dollar Tree too. This foundation is not working out for me. Like, it's not covering anything. I don't like a heavy foundation, but I like it to have at least some coverage. I'll use a concealer to, as foundation, because that foundation was not working. And I guess I'll conceal my under eyes as well. This is insane. But this is a challenge, right? Let's continue. Be going into the powder. Woof. It's a lot of powder, and I'm going to be setting my under eye with the powder. I guess I'll continue with the face because I was going to do the eyes after. Now I'm going to contour my face then using the darker side. That's actually perfect. I like the color. It's not going in like chalky. Alright. So, I found this Wet n Wild bronzer, and this is by Fergie. I guess this is her line with Wet n Wild. I know that this was actually sold like in CVS and stuff like that, but I found it at Dollar Tree. And it looks like this. It's really nice and shimmery, and like it has like a marble effect. So it's pretty cute. So I'm going to be applying that on my cheeks to bronze up the cheeks a bit. Ooh, that's so cute. Oh, I don't have blush, but I'm going to be using this pink color right here for blush. And hopefully it does something. Ooh, I got a little bit of something. So I'm going to apply that on the apples of my cheeks. Not bad. That looks so cute. It's pigmented. I thought that palette was not going to do anything, and it did enough. The same concealer I was using, I'm going to apply on the eyes. I'm going to be taking this plummy color. I'll be using that as a transition color. I'm only applying a little bit, so I can't really tell just yet if it's any good or not. But I can tell it's blending nicely. It's blending up nicely, and as it sets, it's setting on to my skin very nicely. I like it actually. I'm going to be taking this shimmery color to highlight the brow bone. Ooh! Wow! That was surprising. I went in there because I'm like, this is not going to be good, but that is good. Ugh, it actually feels really creamy. Wow. Other shimmers, and they are super creamy. Like, I'm so surprised. Like, I could just go in with this pink in this area and then cut the crease and apply one of those shimmer colors because those shimmer colors were so surprising. Okay, so I'm going to take the pink from here, purpley color again, and I'm going to apply that on the outer V just to darken that area a little bit. A little blending brush and blend that up. So now for the half cut crease, I'm going to be using the concealer again. And I'm going to apply this. Oh my god. How is this $1? Look at that, how pigmented this is. So now that the cut is done, I'm going to go in with the purple color and I'm going to go above the cut. For the under eye area, I'm actually going to use the purple. I have LA Colors liquid eyeliner. So now I'm going to go in with the mascara, and today's mascara is by this brand called Color Mates, and yeah, this is just regular black mascara. So I'm going to apply that on both bottom and top lashes. Ooh, it's a curved one. Oh, this is so cute. It's nice and curvy. For the eyelashes, I'm going to be using there's e.l.f. Dramatic Lash Kits. They look like this. That's the eyelash. It's not bad. But the glue, like, it literally dried up in 2 seconds. The camera had shut off on me, and I don't know if it captured the moment where I was applying the eyeshadow as a highlight, but look at this, like, oh my god, I gotta blend it out a little bit because it's too bright for me right now, but it's like, oh my god, oh my goodness. Okay, so I'm gonna use that as well on my Cupid's bow. Since I didn't know what I was gonna do with the eyes, I wanted to keep it neutral on the lips, and this is by e.l.f. and this is natural lip lacquer. Okay, so it's like a lip gloss. Ew, smells bad. I actually don't like nudes like this that look too nudie. That by itself is not working out, so I'm gonna add maybe some of this pink on top of it because not for me. Okay, that's better. Okay, so that works out for me. So I think we're done with the look. What do you guys think? Oh my god. Challenge done. I like it. You know, I'm surprised with these products. Especially this palette right here. So this is the finished look. I hope you liked this video and enjoyed watching my little makeup challenge, and I hope I succeeded at this makeup challenge. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.